Are you a pharmacist dreaming of working in Dubai? If yes, then this video is for you. One of the most important steps in your journey is clearing the DHA exam, and in this video, I will walk you through the complete step-by-step procedure you need to follow to apply and succeed. Hello everyone, I am Sunidhi Shah, your host, and welcome back to Academically. By end of this video, you will know what documents do you need, how to create your Sheryan account, what does the data flow process mean, how the exam works, and how to check your result and get licensed. Let us begin with the step-by-step process. So the first step is gathering your documents for the smooth process. To apply for the DHA exam, you will need transcript of records, your academic credentials, work experience certificate, typically 2+ years is preferred, a recent passport-sized photograph in color format, a valid passport copy, your pharmacist registration certificate from your home country, very mandatory, a certificate of good standing from your Pharmacy Council of Registration Board. Make sure all documents are clear, valid and translated in English if necessary. Once you have your documents, the next step is to create your Sheryan account. This is the official online portal used by the Dubai Health Authority. Through this portal, you will need to submit your documents, track your application status, get updates about your eligibility and exam details. Start by going to http://sheryan.dhagovernment.ae, register as the health professional and start your profile. This is one of the most crucial steps, the primary source verification, commonly known as the DHA DataFlow process. This is where your documents are verified directly from the source, like your university or workplace. Once you submit your documents, you will receive a DHA DataFlow reference number and the login details to track your verification status. Only after successful verification, you can move to the next step, the DHA exam. Now comes the part you have been preparing for, the DHA exam itself. After your eligibility is confirmed, you will be notified to schedule your test. Exams are conducted by Prometric and you can choose your nearest test centers. For a hassle-free testing experience, make sure to arrive early at the center, carry a valid government-issued photo ID and follow all exam protocols strictly. Late arrivals or incorrect IDs can lead to disqualification, so don't take any chances here. After completing the test, your results will be published online through your DHA portal login. The result will either be pass, which means now you are eligible for the DHA license, or fail. But don't worry, even if you fail, you can reapply and attempt for the exam again. If you pass, you are now eligible to apply for the official DHA pharmacist license, opening doors to clinical, community or hospital pharmacy jobs in Dubai. So there you have it, the complete procedure to apply and clear the DHA exam for pharmacist. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthcare exam guidance. If you need personal mentorship or expert help to crack global pharmacy exams like DHA, GPAT or OPRA, reach out to us at Academically Global. We are here to help you succeed. Visit our website www.academically.com or click on the link in the description below to explore our range of DHA and other pharmacy courses. Thank you for watching this video. This is Sunidhi Shah signing off.